Aliens versus astronauts. Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and I hope you're ready for liftoff because today's episode is out of this world. Let's blast up this bomb battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is SADIE. She's obsessed with unicorns and soccer star Alex Morgan and wants to be an engineer when she grows up. She wouldn't go into outer space unless she could bring her dog. And who can blame her? Today she's turned a drone into a super cool alien-inspired robot. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Julia. She loves soccer and wants to be an interior designer when she grows up. If she could go anywhere in the universe, she'd go to Pluto, but not without her mom. Today, she's built an astronaut robot ready to defend the solar system from the aliens. Now it's time to meet our bots. Introducing Jupiter! Let's go to our Goldie Squad judges. Do you guys think this robot is one small step or one giant leap for the Goldie Squad?
I have to say giant. What's the story here?
My robot came from Pluto, and that's why it's a little bit slow. I took 3 aliens hostage from my opponent's robot.
Oh, so you have something she wants.
Yeah.
Okay, so the battle is personal then.
Yeah, it really is.
There's a male driver who is not good at driving the robot.
No, because he keeps getting hit in the head.
Why?
The reppin' driver's a bad driver too. He keeps hitting Jeff in the head. So that's why if he's a little crooked, that's probably why.
So is that like an engineering choice?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. He had it coming?
Yeah.
Your spinning platform reminds me of a robotic arm, which astronauts really use, and we're doing robots, so that's kind of perfect. I love the design, and the jet propulsion in the back was very clever.
Thank you.
That was a nice touch because that's really needed if you're going to go as far away as Pluto,
Yeah,
the farthest
definitely.
dwarf planet, which I think is still a planet. Remember
Yeah.
that whole debate?
Did you know that one of the reasons that Pluto was ruled as a dwarf planet is because a different planet that was categorized as a dwarf planet was bigger than Pluto? Boom. Drop the mic.
I think you picked a really cool story to go with this, and I love your robot. And I love your jacket. It reminds me of a space blanket. I bet
Thank
you're really warm
you.
right now.
Julia, I love Jupiter. It looks so cool. It looks very ready for battle. I love the ingenuity. The knives up front. You've got the blowers in the back. You got the knives up front. You got
blowers in the back.
You've clearly battled with this opponent before. What's that history? Where does it all begin?
Well, she's my sister.
Oh, this goes way back.
Yeah, so we have lots of experience with fights and stuff, and sometimes she wins, but in this time, I think I'm gonna win and defeat her once again.
This is a good way to take out family and sibling
Yeah.
rivalry. This is the way to settle it.
Yeah, so this can kind of like end everything.
I'm excited to see what your sister
too.
brings too.
Now let's meet our next robot. Introducing the Glitter Bot. Do you guys think this robot comes in peace, or is it looking for runway domination?
Well, personally, I hope it's somewhere in between because you guys are sisters and you have to go back to the same home. Tell me the backstory about your robot. I'm just dying to know.
This robot came from out of this galaxy, and out of that galaxy, it fought her robot and sadly took 3 of my men, and I'm gonna fight for them back.
It's an alien government hostage situation.
Yes,
Sadie, you want to be an engineer.
yes.
That is awesome. And I think it's really cool that you're starting to do that right now. So you have a drone,
Yeah,
and they're rolling deep. You have 7 aliens on
yes,
them.
I do.
Plus 2 of
3 on her robot.
3 on her robot. So, Julia, even if Sadie wins, you lose 3 good men.
Yeah, and actually 5 because Judy and Jeff.
I noticed that the pilot is holding a knife. Does he feel threatened or is he just
I
hungry?
think he's just hungry.
You have a soldered motor. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
It was hard, but I managed to do it.
Nice.
Sadie, you just described soldering to a T, by the way. It's always excruciating, but once you're finished, you're like, I'm so
Yes.
glad it's over and I'm done and it works. So I'm glad you got to experience that.
Yeah.
I have a question about the nature of your aliens' culture and intentions. Were these aliens peaceful originally?
They were peaceful until they got our aliens, and now we want to get them back. So after we get them back, we're peaceful again.
Your servo motor, I don't know if you know this, is gigantic. It's a really big motor and it's got a lot of power behind it. Most servo motors that I've used on my little robots are about this big. They're like this, the width of a quarter, or maybe wider. You have a gigantic servo motor. This is gonna be some battle. I think you both did an excellent job. And hey, you wanna be an engineer someday?
Yes.
You kind of already are.
Thank you.
So great job.
Sadie, I love your robot and I love everything that's happening with it.
Thank you.
You want to be an engineer, and
Yes.
there's so much engineering going on it. Even though your sister has some of your men, it seems like you mean business. You're back with a vengeance. You're ready to win.
Yeah.
And also, I like that you're aliens. I like all the lights that are happening. It looks like your aliens like to have fun.
So, Sadie, why do you think you're gonna win?
Because my robot is better than hers and has more defense.
Okay, Julia, that was pretty good. She's just better. What
She's
about?
not better.
She's not. Oh,
No,
so why are you?
she's not better.
Yes, I am.
Obviously, I've already won once.
She's not gonna win again.
Has it been a while since the last battle happened?
It's been about 85 years.
85 years. So, you've obviously had a ton of time to practice,
Yes, I
and
have.
you're like,
Yes.
today's the day you're
I
gonna
have
be
more
here.
power than her, so I'm sure that
I'm
I can
older.
win. Younger sisters win all the time.
Now it's time to launch this battle into the stratosphere. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1, go! The glitterer went straight into the slime. I think it's because her motor was a little bit too strong and it made her turn, and it was too powerful against.
Come on, let's move.
She couldn't control it. Supernatural activities happened today. Okay, so now 84 years, they're gonna come back here and meet and do it again.
Take her on.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna beat you next time.
And even though today's winner was Julia, the Goldie squad has 2 new stellar members. And since today's winner was Julia, Sadie, you get the honor of pouring the bucket of fun to your sister. She looks like she's gonna enjoy this. So you can come right in the middle. Yeah, you can. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for new bot battles every Saturday. And comment down below. If you could have a spaceship that could take you anywhere, where would you go and why? See you guys next time. Bye!